Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I wanted to do a haul. So recently you saw my closet declutter where I got rid of a lot of old stuff that I just wasn't using, that I didn't really need. And part of clearing out all of the old stuff that I didn't want anymore, I wanted to bring in some new articles of clothing that could help spruce up my closet a bit. And I kind of wanted to go for more of a capsule wardrobe. So a capsule wardrobe basically means you buy a lot of versatile items that can like be mixed and matched and used with old items in your closet, and they all work together really well. And it's usually more minimal things, so you don't really have as much clothes. But I'm not looking to get rid of everything. I still like having some variety. I just want to kind of keep it more in that whole things that work with everything theme. So I recently went to Walmart and I went to a few thrift stores, which, might I say, I did not know how many hidden gems there were at thrift stores. My friend Clarice came over this weekend and we just went in one just because it was around. We were already in the area and we both found so much stuff for such great prices. It was amazing. And now I'm definitely going to be looking at thrift stores a lot more in the future. I hit up a few stores. So I went to Walmart, I went to MCC, which is a thrift store, Hidden Treasures, which is another thrift store. I also got some stuff from Old Navy and from Urban Behavior. So the majority of the things that I got were from Walmart. So let's just start there. First things first is I got this jean dress. So it hits me pretty much right above the thigh. And it's about quarter sleeved and it has a little tie. So you can tie it in the front, make it look all cute. And I've been looking for a basic jean dress for, I swear, years. And every time I try them on, I never liked them because I just thought it just wasn't my thing. I just thought they weren't my thing. But I wanted one, and now I have one. So I'm really happy about that. I also got a blouse. So it kind of has like these bell sleeves. It's pretty high neck, which I like a lot of my clothes to be more higher on the neck. And then when you turn it around, it has this little tie in the back, and I thought that was like a really cute little detail. I also got some camisoles because normally I use tank tops, but I don't really like tank tops. I think they just ride up, and I don't know, I just don't like them. I want something that was like a lot better quality than what I was getting. So I got this one, which is a navy blue, but I honestly think it can pass for black. And I also got this cream one. As you can see, it has a little bit of a lace detailing on the top. And it's just, again, a really good basic to have. I also got a set of pajamas. So this kind of looks like the camisole in the sense that it has that lace detailing on the top, which honestly, you could wear it as a camisole if you really wanted to. And I got the matching shorts because I really need some new pajama shorts, and these ones are super comfortable. And I already know that because I have the same set of pajamas in red, and I just want another set. Lastly, I got was this t-shirt dress. So like I said, it's just a basic t-shirt dress. It has some pockets and it's gray, and I have a similar one in pink, so I just want the gray version because, again, I wear that dress so much that having two would be nice. So that's everything I got from Walmart. Now we can move on to Old Navy, and if you're wondering if I bought all the stuff in the same day, no. This has been procured over time, and I've been setting them aside so I wouldn't be tempted to reach them, except for the thrift store stuff. I got those all in the same day and it was like 20 bucks in total for, you'll see how much. Old Navy, I got this t-shirt, literally just a boyfriend t-shirt. It's really big, it has a pocket, it's a nice oversized t-shirt. Got a black t-shirt. This one is also a boyfriend t-shirt, but I got this one in a small because I wanted it to fit me like a regular shirt. Has a little pocket in the front, and it's just like a basic black t-shirt. Got a pair of blue jeans. These are their Rockstar skinny jeans, so they're very tight skinny jeans. And I just got a pair of blue ones because I have no blue jeans, and I thought that was something that needed to be changed. Let's move on to Hidden Treasures. That's one of the thrift stores. I only got two things from there. First one being this black skater skirt. It's just a simple black skirt. Again, I wanted all of the clothes to be clothes that would work really well together, that I can interchange with different things, and it'd be really easy. So, lovely black skirt there. And this one's actually from Old Navy. I didn't buy it from Old Navy, but it is an Old Navy skirt. My favorite purchase of everything, which is a purse that I got from that same thrift store. The handle is a great length. It's brown. It has all of the stitching on it. It also has these little details. So there's a key, a little pendulum, I don't know what you call these things, a little trinket, a little tassel. I think it's from the 9 West Vintage America collection. And I just think it is just a super cute bag. It's the perfect size. I need a replacement for my medium bag and for my crossbody bag because they have broken and they're so worn out that they had to go. And this is perfect. Moving on to Urban Behavior. I got way more clothes than I thought. I hope this video wasn't too long. So from Urban Behavior, I got 2 of the same skirts. And they are these button-down front skirts. They also have a tie to make a bow in the front. I hate it when it's tied, so that's just gonna go. I also got it in green. Moving on to the last thrift store, which was MCC. I got a Bible because I don't have one and I want one. I also got this white ribbed t-shirt. So I don't know if it's picking up. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, it has like little ribs going throughout it. And it just fits so well that I needed it. And then lastly, I got a dress. This dress screams chic. It's basic, it's gray and black, and it has a little tie in the front, and I love it. It's mine. But yeah, guys, that basically completes this haul. I hope you liked it. I know there was a lot of stuff. Hopefully I can condense this video so it's not 30 minutes long. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked this, and if you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and until next time, guys, bye!